I'm Rance Rizzuto from The Nest, and today I'm going to quickly show you how to sign up for YouTube. There are 4 things that you're going to need to know about getting into YouTube. First thing is, where is it? YouTube.com. Pretty simple, right? Now, the thing about YouTube is owned by Google, so you will need a Gmail email address like your name at gmail.com. If you don't have a Gmail address, guess what? They're pretty easy to get. We'll go over that too. Also, maybe you have your own website that you've had someone else set up. Maybe your email address already is Gmail and it just doesn't say it. For instance, if I was to start a website called UncleRance.com, I could make it so that Gmail controlled my email, Uncle Rance, and all my email would be rance@UncleRance.com. I don't have that, but I could. What we're going to do here is check to see if your email address is a Gmail address first, and then quickly guide you through signing up for your own Gmail address, which is a very easy process. And then all you have to do is use that to get YouTube. First thing you're going to do, type youtube.com into a browser. Boom, you should get a page that looks just like this. Now you're going to notice up there in the upper right-hand corner is a big button that says sign in. There might be one off to the left also, but you're always going to have one up there on the right. So you're going to click on that. You're going to get a window that looks like this. If you are like me and have a Gmail address or 2, they're going to pop up in there if you've been using them recently. Don't worry about those. I've grayed them out so you can't see what they are. But you will either have something empty or you'll have your own addresses. If you have an address in there, that means you probably have Gmail. Pick one of those, use your password, see if it works. If not, use this other address to check it out. For this test, I just used a random Yahoo address, and guess what? It doesn't work. That's why that little red text showed up there. So what are we going to do? Create a new account. This box will show up, and it'll have all this information it'll want from you, your name, so on and so on. Sign in with that. It's going to ask you to verify that you received it and you're the one in control of it. And then you just take that Gmail address, go back to youtube.com, and sign in. Good to go. Once you've signed in, now you can start watching YouTube videos and tracking them, meaning if you watch a video and you leave it in the middle, it'll show up in your history. If you watch a video and you really like it, you can click a little thumb up button to like it, and Google's engine will start placing things that you may like there. But for now, we just want to go to that top search button and type in The Nest Theater, just like we're doing here. You'll see The Nest Theater shows up. 2 quick, easy buttons to hit. You'll see over there, there's a subscribe button. You can click that, and there's a little bell. You can click that. Clicking that bell turns alerts on. That means whenever we have a new video or show that starts happening, you'll be alerted about it right then and there. So when we have a show that you didn't hear about and it starts at 8 o'clock, you'll get an alert that says, hey, something's going on at the Nest Theater on YouTube. Boom, you're in, and you get to enjoy our online programming right then and there. Once you've done that, you're good to go. You don't need to do anything else. You've subscribed, you've checked alerts. Now go enjoy some of our videos. Hey, while you're there, give a thumbs up to the ones you like and you're good as gold. Thanks for checking this out, and hopefully you can now further enjoy YouTube, especially the Nest Theater. Bye.